I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take ashwagandha powder at night. First, understand that ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body manage stress. When taken before bed, it can promote a sense of calm, which is beneficial for winding down and improving sleep. The powder form is versatile, allowing you to easily adjust your dosage and mix it into various beverages for optimal absorption. For dosage, a good starting point is typically 300 milligrams to 500 milligrams of ashwagandha powder. You can easily mix this into a warm glass of milk, which many find soothing, or simply stir it into water. Some prefer adding it to a nightly smoothie. Aim to consume your ashwagandha 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep, allowing it time to begin working. To maximize the benefits, consistency is truly key. Try to take your ashwagandha powder around the same time each night. Pairing it with a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading or a warm bath, can further enhance its calming effects. Remember, while ashwagandha is generally safe, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing conditions. Always pay attention to how your body responds to ashwagandha. If you feel the initial dose isn't quite right, you can gradually adjust it, but never exceed recommended amounts without professional guidance. It's also crucial to be aware of any potential interactions with other medications you might be taking, such as sedatives or blood pressure medications. For more information and other great deals, including that fantastic sock recommendation, please check the description below this video. We've got some excellent resources linked there for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.